Hi everyone, it's Gina from Gina K Designs and welcome back to another 5-minute cards video. Today I'm going to show you how to make a plaid design using masking magic and some ink cubes. To begin, I'm going to use two different size masking magic strips. I'm going to be using the 1/2 inch and also the 1/4 inch masking magic. I'm going to start by creating a border around the entire outside of this piece of cardstock that measures 3.5 inches by 4 3/4 of an inch. And I'm placing those masking magic strips, and that's also helping to keep the cardstock tacked down onto my scrap paper. So I'm going to do 1/2 inch strip on each side the long way, and then I'm going to add 2 more onto the short end of this cardstock. Now, because I want my plaid to be a little bit skinnier in the center of my card, I'm going to add an additional masking magic strip in the 1/4 inch size onto each side, each of the long sides of the cardstock. I'm butting that right up against that 1/2 inch strip to make sure that it's even on both sides. Now, once I have those in place, I'm just going to press down on everything and make sure that everything is nice and tight. Masking magic won't tear your paper when you pull it off. I'm going to start with a Lucky Clover ink cube, and I'm going to do a diagonal, just holding my hand nice and steady and going in straight streaks down the cardstock in Lucky Clover ink. I'm starting on the masking magic and I'm extending past the masking magic. This way I've got the entire surface in the center covered. Now I'm going to turn the cardstock a 1/4 turn and then use Turquoise Sea to go in the opposite direction to create the plaid effect. The big thing about this is you want to make sure that you don't press too hard because you don't want that ink to be solid. You want it to look kind of streaky so you can see the lines. And now I get to peel and reveal. I'm going to pull off the masking magic strips and you can see there's a little jaggedy edge along there. That's what I want. If I wanted a really crisp edge, I would go back and do a little light ink blending right around the perimeter. But I want that jagged edge. And so once I pull all these strips off, we're going to be ready to make our card. Now I'm cutting 1/8 of an inch off of each side of this panel because I wanted it to be a little bit smaller. And then I'm going to mount that onto a black panel that measures 3.5 inches by 4 3/4 of an inch. That's going to give me the perfect mat. And now I've cut 2 of these Botanical Duo dies out and I've glued them together. I'm going to use a little Connect glue on the back of this embellishment that I've created. And then I'm going to layer this piece into the center of my card. And I matted that white panel onto a black panel and onto a sea glass card base. So once that's all in place, I'm going to add a greeting. And the greeting is from the Gina K Designs sentiment strips from the Mixed Messages collection, and I cut that out using our sentiment strips dies. I'm going to add a couple little disco ball sequins for some sparkle and shine, and then you'll be able to see my finished card. Such a quick and easy design, but it's really impactful. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's 5-minute card video, and I hope you'll give this plaid making technique a try. Stay tuned to my channel for more 5-minute card videos and more Stamp and Chat videos too. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you again real soon.